Hi everyone, Jacqueline here. So today we're going to make a colorful cabbage flower arrangement. This is one of those special self-watering containers from Walmart, kind of like my window boxes, just a little bit cheaper of a quality, and it's a beautiful white. So you can make a really nice arrangement with a white container that's very soft and very cottage-like. So in some regards, this is a cottage container. So I'm just going to fill it with the soil. We're just going to level this out a little bit, and I think I can use the whole bag. And then we'll level this out. So what we want to do is, because we want to be able to see this arrangement from all sides, the first thing we're going to add is the zesty pink zinnias. And look at that color. These really caught my eye because of the color. These were part of my inspiration to do this arrangement. I'm going to add my fertilizer after I finish this arrangement this time. 2 in the back, and then 1 in between the 2 behind to centralize them. And we're just going to push these in really nicely and make sure that they're standing and looking gorgeous. And if they're too tight or they cross, like that's crossed, you can just straighten them. We're going to add in our inspiration, the beautiful purple cabbage. And this is Ruby Perfection cabbage. And it is gorgeous. So I'm just going to pop these out, and we're going to use all 4 that are in the tray. And I'm going to pop them all out at once because the tray is not divided and I don't want to break any of them. So you can see right now the colors that come out when you add the purple cabbage, when you add ruby to your arrangement. It's quite stunning. And then if you have any dead leaves, just remove them off the plant and then carefully split them apart when they aren't divided. And then we're just going to lay them out. Now this is an edible arrangement. These cabbage are the purple cabbage, and they're fully editable, meaning they can form heads in the arrangement. It's just that they will be crowded in here so the heads won't be too big. But they will make an interesting combination with all the color. And we're going to put 1 on each side just to split them up. Now we want to add some more color and make it even more stunning in this arrangement. And I'll give you an overhead view when I'm done. So we're going to add the pink lemonade Petunia in this arrangement. Isn't she pretty? And she looks gorgeous with the zinnia. You can see that there. I only have 1 of these, so we're going to go with it and use it. I'm not going to waste anything when it comes to container gardening. You want to use everything you have. So we're going to stick her in the side here and push it in really good. And then to complement this, on the other side, I'm going to add an Easy Wave Petunia in the pink. So we're going to add in this beautiful pink into the mix. And I'm going to take the one that is in bloom. And this is Easy Wave Violet. We've got our color combination going. We're going to use up this wave Petunia that I have here. And this is Easy Wave Purple Vein. And I have 2 of them. So we're going to use both of them into this arrangement. And we're going to put this one right in here. And you can see the colors starting to come together. Now to take this to the next level, we've got pinks, We've got our purple veins, we've got our violets, we've got our zesty pinks in here. We need to take this down and add something to ground the whole arrangement. So I'm going to use the Denim Wave Petunia into this, and I have two here. So I'm going to pack this thing tight, and I'm going to put both of them into this arrangement. And you can see the size of the difference in the petals. And then we're going to come over here where we have a gap, and we're going to put the other one in. And I'm just picking off everything so that looks nice. And then I'm going to come in here and take off that one cabbage leaf that's in the way, and then make a home for it. And we just snug it into place. And then I just readjust the cabbage so it stands out in the arrangement. Now, just a heads up for you guys, a reminder that I am on Instagram under Creating My Garden Canada, and I'm on Pinterest at Creating My Garden Canada. So don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to all the social media apps that I am on. And for those of you that are watching my videos and haven't subscribed, please subscribe because it helps me keep the content coming and come up with ideas and arrangements just like this. Bye, everybody.